IFECCO makes these kids open ear headphones. So they actually don't go in the ear at all, which I love for kids because when my kids are on their iPads with their headphones, I hate when they cannot hear me call their name. So this is a great way for them to listen to their devices and also be able to hear what's going on around them. So if I call their name, they're going to answer. This is genius for kids. They're also way more lightweight and comfortable than regular headphones. The sound quality is really great. I'm super happy with that. They're also waterproof, so they can be outside at these if it starts to drizzle, no problem. If you charge them for an hour and a half, you get 10 hours of usage time, which is really good because kids don't like to charge their things. This is the color blue option, and my kids have been loving these. I love them too because, like I said, when I call their names, they can hear me and respond, and they're not completely cut off from the world around them while they're listening to their devices.